Hi, Alistair here with Balsamiq. Need to add icons to your wireframes? Balsamiq makes it easy with a built-in library of font-awesome icons. Find and select icons in the UI library or use the search bar. Just type a keyword and matching icons appear. Many UI controls have icon support built in. And you can also add a standalone icon control. In the Property Inspector, search for an icon, choose the size, extra small to extra large, and rotate if needed. If you prefer to browse all available icons, click the Icon Library button to explore by category. You can even add your own custom icons. Import any image and it'll automatically appear in the icon library. For best results, use black fills with transparent backgrounds. For more details, check out our docs. Happy wireframing!